In this tutorial, you'll learn how to build a course with the Tutor LMS plugin in WordPress and embed YouTube videos as your lessons, without any YouTube branding showing through, no logo, no title bar, and no suggested videos. Start from your WordPress dashboard. In the search box, type in Tutor LMS. When the plugin appears in the results, click Install Now, then click Activate once installation finishes. Once Tutor LMS is active, a new Tutor LMS menu appears in your sidebar. Click it, then click Courses. To start a new course, click the New Course button in the top right. You're now in the Course Builder, on the Basics tab. Type in a title for your course, then write a short description underneath it. Once your basic details are filled in, click Next to move to the Curriculum tab. On the Curriculum tab, click Add Topic. Give the topic a name and a short description. Then click OK to save it. This topic acts as a folder that holds your lessons. Underneath your new topic, click the Lesson button to add your first lesson. A lesson panel opens. Give the lesson a name, then add your lesson content in the text box below it. On the right side of this panel, you'll see a video section. Click the drop-down and notice the available options: external URL, YouTube, Vimeo, embedded, and shortcode. Instead of picking the YouTube option directly, since that pulls in the full YouTube player with its logo and branding, you'll use the embedded option, so you can paste in a clean, custom player instead. Before you can paste anything in, you need to generate that clean embed code. Switch over to YouTube and find the video you want to use for this lesson. Open the video's share menu and copy its link. Now open a new tab and go to Vid Sharpei's dashboard. Click New Embed, then paste the YouTube link into the box. The tool checks the video and generates a preview along with a custom player. On this page, you'll see player settings on the right. Here you can set an accent color, turn autoplay and looping on or off, and choose whether to show a speed button. Turn off the toggle for showing the Vid Sharpei badge, so nothing but your video shows in the player. Click Save Changes to apply your settings. Below the preview, you'll find two code snippets, an embed snippet and an iframe fallback. Click Copy next to the one you want to use. Switch back to your WordPress tab, click into the Paste Embedded Video Code box and paste in the snippet you just copied. Click OK to attach the video to your lesson, then click Save. Repeat this same process for each additional lesson. Add a new lesson, generate a clean embed for its video, and paste the snippet in. Once you've added all your lessons under the topic, click Publish in the top right to save your course. To check your work, click Preview. This opens your course on the front end, where your topic and lessons are listed under Course Content. Click Start Learning, then open a lesson to see your video. Notice that the player shows only your video, with a play button, a volume control, a seek bar, and a full screen option. There's no YouTube logo, no video title overlay, and no suggested videos, giving your course a clean, professional look from start to finish.